What's up YouTube family, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing great. In this video we are going to be installing the smart light switches. As you can see them, they're being installed right now, and this can actually be controlled by Alexa or Google Assistant. Right now, as you can see, what they were also doing was also installing the ring. To all our returning subscribers and viewers, we just want to say thank you so much for all the continuous love and support. We appreciate you all. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. We are super excited to have you here. We hope you enjoy our content and choose to like and subscribe to the channel. Right here, they were actually installing the stone, and the stone of our choice that we chose to go with is quartz. So we chose this particular stone because of its quality and its durability. We initially wanted to go with a white color, but then we realized that it's gonna be too white since the cabinets and almost everything is white. So we decided to go black to give it that little contrast, and we love how it actually turned out. For the sink, we decided to go with this black stainless steel color. The sink we used to have before was actually white and it was porcelain. It was a very heavy sink. Here is a clip recorded from one of our living room cameras. As you can see, they were actually installing the upper cabinets in the kitchen. While they were working, we got a call from Best Buy that one of their staffs will be coming by to install this bottom part of our refrigerator and also deliver our wine refrigerator. While the staff from Best Buy was trying to switch the base of our refrigerator from this gray to white, which is the color we chose, he realized that he was missing this little suction cup looking thing that was supposed to help him pull that out. So he said that they were going to postpone that to a different time and schedule to come back and do that portion. And here comes our wine refrigerator. And here he was working to install that wine refrigerator in the back area. But we'd like to show you a little bit of a before picture and the after. Yes, you guys, it's really starting to come together. There is still a lot of work to do, but we've seen a lot of progress so far. Compared to February 13, 2023, when we started this project, it's actually taken way longer than we expected. We just cannot wait to see the end results. Hey everyone, so excited to show you guys the update so far on our home renovation project. You can see the before and after. So this is how far the project has gone, and we are really excited. We cannot wait to see the end result. Stay tuned and we'll keep you posted.